Rubble on the double.
Welcome to the Fizzy Show!
Wow, it snowed! Oh, it's beautiful! Hey, Fizzy, look! Oh, nice one, Phoebe! Hey, we could make a snowman! Brrr, it's chilly! Hey, Miss Hands, can we have a hand, please?
Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Ooh, what are we doing today? Are we building a snowman?
Yes! Can you help us?
Sure, I love making snowmen. Let's take some of this snow that you've collected here, Phoebe, and mold it a bit. Although I'm not sure we're gonna have enough, you know? Uh-oh, the snow has melted.
Oh, look! There's more snow! It's getting heavier! Miss Hands, I caught some more!
Oh, gee, I'm sorry, Phoebe. It's melted again. I don't think we have enough.
This is a disaster! Wait, I have an idea! What's that noise?
Did you see that?
What is it? I recognize that!
Rubble on the double.
Rubble!
We heard you need a Paw Patrol snowman rescue mission.
Marshall!
Whoa, thanks, Rubble. So, let's see what we have here. It's a white, very stretchy sock. Look at that. This is perfect to make our snowman with. The thing is, we're going to need something to weigh it down so he doesn't fall over.
Wait, I forgot something.
Oh, rice, that's perfect. Let me just grab a container to put it in.
Unloading.
No, wait! Uh-oh.
Whoa, what was that? I can't run on this. Rubble, we have to be careful. Here, Chase, let's get this cleaned up.
I'll use my magic! Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop!
Yay! Yay! Oops, sorry about that, Miss Hands. Let's fill the container.
Hey, thanks there, Rubble. So let's start making our snowman. And the first thing we do, I'm going to take this cookie cutter and put it in the top of the sock to keep it open so I can get my rice in easily. Okay, here we go. Ready to pour. I'm just going to give it a little shake. Whew, get that down. Pour in some more. And shake it into our snowman. It's all squishy. Look at that. Now, you know what? I think we should add some snow to our snowman as well, but kind of don't think we have very much here.
Don't worry, we've got it covered.
Rudolph!
Thanks for your help, Rudolph.
No problem. Have a very Merry Christmas.
Rudolph helps us collect some snow. This is for the snowman.
Perfect! Now we have our snow. Let's put it in the snowman before it melts. And next, I'm going to tie the top to stop the snow escaping. Let's add some eyes. And a carrot for a nose. Well, he's looking good, but he's definitely missing a few things.
Miss Hands, would you like to wear my hat? It's pink, like me!
Why, thank you, Phoebe. That'd be great.
cute?
I agree, Phoebe. Now what else?
What about a scarf?
Great idea. I have the perfect thing to keep him warm.
He looks all warm and cozy.
Yes, he does, Fizzy. Just what we need. 2 buttons to add the finishing touch.
Ah, he's so cute. Great teamwork, everyone. It's important to always ask for help when you need it.
Thank you for letting us rescue your mission. It was so fun.
We have the best friends ever. Oh, we better get inside before the snow gets heavier. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a Fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bo.